Hello. Waiting for my collaborators here. I told him I would do better about a solo stream while I wait for him. Not really into that kind of thing, but we'll see what we got here. Hello. Waiting for my collaborators here. I told him I can't hear myself on the other streams. Okay. So, got some new assets for this game. Gonna try to import some of them here. So I got the sidewalk down. Let's see. Test scene, tile map layer. Yeah, let's get some more in here. It's been so long since I've used a tile set manager. So give me a sec here while I remember. Last scene collections. All right, so here's the cool new assets. So let's grab one of the buildings. All right, that made it several tiles. We need just one. Oh, I think we just here. Rita, can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Nice. I just was getting rolling.
Nice.
Talking to myself on stream, it feels so awkward. I'm not used to that at all.
I'm glad to be here for you.
Thanks. You're coming in clutch here. Appreciate it. You the man. I didn't hear from Simon.
So,
He must be busy tonight.
to, uh,
I did do the pop link here that I just doxed myself with on might get a few stragglers. I think Eli's watching, so maybe he'll hijack the link here.
got it.
Nice.
Ooh, it looked like you already started doing some work here.
Yeah, I laid the ground and I started importing this building, but I need to make it one tile and not like, you know, a bunch, right? Because it just could be one massive tile.
Right.
So thankfully I have no memory on how to do so, so we're gonna wing this a little bit today. That sound good?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's swing it. Wait, is that the only new assets that we have?
There's a couple. Um, so if we go to import the rest, there's these. So there's a bunch of background sprites,
Nice.
and there's a tree. I'm thinking we'll have some buildings, and then maybe a
Hmm.
gap, and we can show off some of these like more like local background sprites.
I like it. So you got your sky, street, buildings.
Yeah, because these are all from my town. So we got like the Statue of David, got the clock tower, miscellaneous building. We have this famous sculpture.
Does the artist get a shout out for their work, or that was not part of the contract?
Uh, that's a great question. If I knew, I gotta find his artist profile. This fella. He's got all sorts of cool work in here. Oh, I guess that's all he's hosting on this site. But kind of seemed relevant to what we were doing, so I reached out to him, the tattoo company that's commissioning this game. Paid him
Nice.
some cash to get the assets together. So
I do want to learn how to do that glowing window stuff.
yeah, I was noticing that as well. I was wondering if this is art or if it's engine work, right? Because you'd want the engine to do the glow, probably.
That's true. That's true.
But either way, you could probably go with either or. So there's some sewer sprites here. So we got some tiles to work with. So these are some tiles. These are tiles. These are tiles. Mostly for underground though. And then we got the street.
All right. So, do you have like a rough shape? Are we just going to reproduce what you had before, or do you have like a rough drawing of what the level is supposed to look like?
Yeah, but pretty close to what we had before. Um,
Okay.
like this. So a couple buildings. This will be the gap here probably, and then we don't have a building yet for the boss, so we'll just make do with what we have for now. And he's waiting for my feedback of like what we think and what needs to come next.
Sounds good.
So let's attempt to transform this into one sprite. I don't remember how to do that, so we're gonna wing it.
By the way, where does one go to find if they are in Discord to find the stream?
To find this stream,
Just so I can see like the chat. Yeah. The what do you
oh,
call it?
if you head over to announcements, that'll post when I'm live, and you can see the link here.
There.
Or you hit
Awesome.
or you hit jamcraft.io, that'll bring you there as well.
God, I hate my voice. Okay.
You're telling me I sound like a chalkboard.
All right.
Like I was on that podcast recently, and I still haven't been able to watch it just because I can't stand like any. I don't want to see myself or hear myself. It's all challenging.
I know the feeling.
Okay, what are you drinking? Anything cool?
And we're gonna do all the work in engine and not in using like tile mapper or a tool like that.
This here is Godot's tile system.
Okay.
So you are navigating Uida. You
Thank you. All right. Let's make this happen. Yeah. Do your magic.
yeah. I don't
I
know.
have not worked with tiles in Godot, so
No worries. Cool thing about navigating is you don't need to know how. You just need to know what. So the what at the moment being make this one massive tile. So I'm gonna attempt to figure out how that
oh,
works.
that feels like cheating, but that's fine.
What? Oh, navigating that way?
Oh no, making that a massive tile.
Oh, I think that's what we want.
No, no,
Because
I mean that's fine.
if you had to lay
That's
out
fine.
these individually, that would be torture. I think. Oh, here we go. So I bet if I do what 3,000, 2,000. That's the wrong number. I need.
Why don't you just open the PNG and see the size of it?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Rather than just guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. All right,
Look at
761,
that.
1092. That was close. Awesome. Good thinking. So I've mapped it out here, and let me if you want, I can explain kind of what we're looking at here quick. You want me to do that?
Yeah, go for it.
So here we're in the tile set. I can kind of set the tiles, and let's say I needed like physics. So like if I didn't want to pass through the ground, right? I can add layers over here to the tile set. So here I've added one physics layer, which I can use to paint. And you can see I've painted these with that physics layer. So if I paint these on the map, the player can no longer fall through those.
Nice.
A little confusing, but that's kind of the gist of it. Um, and here on the tile map is where I can actually paint. So if I click the pencil tool, ooh, that looks something's amiss there. Um, oh, Maybe not. What are all these circles?
Well.
Yeah, off to a good start here. Let's see if I can erase these. Oh, I can erase the little circles. Okay. I haven't seen the circles before, but let's try that again. So if I click this, I wonder if that's what this is. What's going on in here? Okay, so I just want the one tile. I'm gonna draw it. Okay, that looks a little better.
Ooh, why can't you snap it into?
Oh yeah, good eye.
Oh, because it's like an odd size.
Yeah.
Can you snap it and then like use the um, your keyboard to move it down? The down arrow?
Oh, like in here.
Yeah, like
Oh, that moves the entire world.
yeah, yeah, but select. Nope.
That look like it. I wonder if in here we can pinpoint a way to like offset it.
I mean, that one pixel is also driving me crazy.
Where?
The 761 pixels. What?
Oh yeah, it's just
So, yeah,
I hear you.
definitely
Oh, I wonder if
lesson learned. Specify that artwork needs to be in increments of what are these tiles usually?
I think
56, 64,
I think these are 32s.
32s. Yeah, so multiples of 32s for height and width.
Oh, I added a margin that does not look correct yet. Let's see, we just
Yeah,
want the
how about a little
keyboard.
negative margin? Although,
Oh, don't know if it like that. -16. Nope.
okay, that's fine. Then put it lower and then positive margin.
What the hell does separation mean? All right, Wida, your turn to press buttons and hope for the best.
That's what I do the best. Just hope. All right. Yikes. Awesome. Tile map player. This. All right. What shall we do?
Uh,
Pop it.
let's go back into tile set and let's see. Because I tried separation. Okay, that took. What happens when you paint it? Does you'll have to go back to tile map. Yeah, so if we attempt to paint it, okay, that kind of worked. Now I think we need to do negative if it'll let us.
Uh, or do we do positive to move it up? Where does it go?
Yeah, it really didn't like that. That's neat.
I don't know. Is your GPU okay?
Yeah, allegedly.
Is it handling?
Oh yeah, I went 4080. Should be fine.
Nah, that's old stuff, man. You need a 590 Ti.
No, I don't know if I want the 5000 series.
Yeah, not
I've heard
responding.
nothing good about that one.
You don't like paying double the price for 30%
I love fake.
bump.
Now for fake frames, that's all you're paying for. All right. Yep.
Well, it kind of looks like it's there, but it's not. It's cutting the door. Uh,
Yeah. Let's
there is
try.
no way to move it up.
Can we try -16 in that separation field?
Sure, we can.
I'm
Tile
guessing
set.
it won't take, but it does not like that. What we could do potentially is open it in an ace sprite and move it around. You think that would
The
be
what?
well? It should still snap to the grid. I wonder why it's not like snapping up in the corner over here. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like why wouldn't it start at 0, 0 and make it big from there? We go to tile set one more time.
just wondering why
Yeah,
it's just where is it snap? Is right, 00 is here at the bottom, right? So just for
Yeah, so it's like off by 1616. It seems like
Okay.
this is goofy. Yeah, if we go back into their tile set, let's put this
Wait
up.
to get back to the tile map player when you click here.
If we go back to, let's remove that separation value. And
All
then let,
right.
oh, it's already gone.
Why,
Okay.
why don't you tell us what is a separation value used for?
I have no idea. I'm just guessing. But if you mouse over it here, it'll tell us separation. Okay, so there's probably no separation in the actual file. Can we look at margin definition just for
No
completeness sake?
good. This is if you have a good tile set.
We don't have edges on. We don't have edges on there really.
So what if just um, let's test your math skills. What's the closest 32 that you can get with 192?
Hold on. Let me use my awesome math skills
That's
here.
uh, two. Well,
We'd want a 3.
192 is 630. I mean, it is actual beautifully. It is 32 divisible by 32. It's six times 32 is 192.
Okay.
So why does it not snap?
Yeah.
What did you do? Oh, what about not using texture padding? What is that for?
I don't know. Let's try it. What happens when you paint it without that on?
If check a 1 pixel transparent edge around each tile to prevent texture blending.
Oh, yeah. That shouldn't matter.
So let's see. Why why can't I? How do I select this?
Right now we're in pencil mode, so I think if you use the pencil, nice.
Did it select?
That's something selected.
Um,
It looks like it's selected down here. Otherwise, you could erase it and redraw it.
can I? How do I erase it?
There's the rect tool. I swear we saw an eraser earlier. If you click up here, okay. On me now.
Make a snap.
Make it snappy. Haha. Get it?
Sorry, I was drinking some water.
Oh, okay. So look at
Um,
this. Look at this awesome UX here. So the eraser appears after I click the pencil. Oh yeah. So
very intuitive.
I have to
Love it.
click.
Okay.
I have to erase in the heart of the image for it to erase, not like the outsides.
Do you want to tell us what's up with that purple rectangle there?
This I think is the viewport. So when I start the game, that's like around the character.
Got it. There's no reason for that not to snap.
Yeah, because this one's fine. What if we hear me out, Wida? As I know you're navigating. What if we made this one the 32? If maybe somehow it fixed itself, right? Like if we did like this, and even though that's very wrong, right? Oh,
Nope.
it could.
Nope.
I mean,
Nope.
we're snapped on this
Oh, you're
y-axis.
snapping the Y. All right. So try to, well, do it for leave that one with the weird, what was it, 731? Or,
Yeah. What's the number that's close that we can be divisible by?
but does that help us? What was the original size?
We have a little bit of room for error here.
So we can go for 23 times 32. I don't know what was the original, 736.
Something like that. You want me to do 736?
Yeah. Or,
Okay, so
or you
click.
can go another 32 there. 768.
See, you're the math major here.
No, I'm just the guy with the calculator.
Did we piss it off? Yeah, we might have. Let's do the other one. What was it? Seven.
Maybe that was too big. Yeah. 736.
Okay, come on. Why? Why is it so mean to us? It's on the right axis, but it's still like, is this number divisible by 32 or was it 16?
Yeah, that's beautifully okay. Don't trust me. I see how it is. That's
I do
fine.
trust
One
you, but
second I am
now that
the
you called
math
me out on
major.
it,
Next second, don't trust his numbers. I see. It's all good.
I wonder if it has something to do with this like middle.
Oh, of course, that's what it is. Yes,
You see
you gotta
something?
set where is the starting coordinate of this tile. We just blew the tile up, but you have to um, tell it where
How do you do
the
that?
tile begins.
Texture origin.
Oh yeah, so do negative or well, you want the negative 736, right? Or oh, half of that.
Jeez.
Um, what do we go with? Set 36.
Yeah. This
So you
feels
want 368.
this feels dirty.
Yeah,
And
right.
then
Yeah, and then the
192.
192, we want negative 96. Look at that beautiful corner there.
I feel dirty. I bet this is gonna work though. Why?
Yes, no, maybe. Wait, why is there an alternative tile?
I did that when I was farting around over here. I can delete it. Delete. I thought that was gonna work. Do we
Uh,
just need to offset it by 16 then, so it like maps up?
no, isn't now the blue dot where that's the origin, right? Of the tile.
Yeah, you'd think.
Um, oh,
Center.
look at that. The tile map layer is not centered.
Look at this. Atlas
Come
coordinates are
on,
zero.
man. No, 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 no,
What?
no.
What? What are you seeing?
Look at that. Look at that. See that?
Where? I don't see your cursor.
You see what I'm seeing right here?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
I think I'm onto something here.
All
So
right, go for it. Just keep going.
let's zero these out quick. The texture origins.
Yeah, go. You know what you're doing.
You're driving. Go for it.
Yeah, fine. All right. What do you want?
Yeah, zero them out. And let's throw
Zero.
same. Let's throw the size up here.
Oh, the full size in Atlas.
I
Okay.
think so.
Uh, 736 and what, 192. Doesn't like that at all. Doesn't take invalid size. Not enough room in the Atlas.
What does that mean? The
The unit
units.
size of the tile. Maybe the Atlas coordinates. The position of the tile's top left corner in the Atlas. Let's see.
Let's go back to
Uh,
let's go back to setup real quick. I wonder if that's percented off because we have this here. Let's zero these out one by
oh,
one.
don't these usually need to be like
Let's do
32?
yeah, let's do 32 in there.
Come on.
We'll get
Thank
this.
you.
This is so much harder than it needs to be.
Yes.
Okay, and then back to the Atlas values.
I mean, I know it's,
So
but what
I think
happens if you do this? Oh, you can't. Okay. Can
I
you do
think
this?
for the Atlas numbers, if we do what 10 across and 6 down,
Uh,
you know what I'm saying? So not the chords, but this one. So the size in Atlas would be x10, right? Or x6. No, math is hard.
oh,
Yeah.
see.
Oh, ooh, right here. See those little dots? Can you click those?
Oh,
I
can
think
you
that's
do
what we
what
need to.
happens? Does that select anything? No. Can I right click? Create an alternative tile? No. Sorry. What?
I've done this before. Can you click that one tile again? Can you click those little circles? No.
Can we zoom in? It's like, can't really get to the.
It's like auto created the tiles for us. Can you delete the other ones?
It's coordinate 1, 1.
If you right click this, can you delete it? Yeah,
Delete it?
let's delete all the tiles that aren't the first one.
Why? Then can we just select all of them? And well, all except the first one.
Yeah, right. And then we should be able to make the first one bigger. I know I've done this before. Yeah, maybe we'll have those little boxes now. Yeah, look at that. Ha ha. Watch, I hope it's not off center again. I'm gonna need therapy after the session today.
Come on. Okay, hold on. Gotta zoom out because I lost it. So let me click on it.
Oh, you'll need this one. Yeah, that dot.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, let's see if we can paint that now. If anybody in chat has answers here, feel free to call us out.
So I just paint.
Oh, hey, we have YouTube viewers too. Look at that.
Whoa.
They're probably bots.
Wait, we have 3 viewers?
Oh, we have 3 on Twitch and 2 on YouTube.
Oh,
I didn't turn
oh
on
look at you.
didn't turn on
Doing
TikTok
all
yet.
your different platforms. How'd I paint this again? Oops, nope.
If I eat HelloFresh on camera, I can get some cash for that. We'll get you eating on camera here. We'll double up our money. Seriously,
Yeah, I'm down to eat some HelloFresh.
Why is it off center? Rita.
I mean, to me, it's very obvious, but I don't want to take the joy
Yeah,
from the
yeah.
exercise for you. You know.
I'm sure. All right. I have a couple more things left to try. If we go back to tile set, let's try in here. Let's see if we can.
Could it be that the tile size? Oh, we changed that to 32. Okay. Tiles. Sorry, go ahead. What do you want me to do?
If we go to tile set, I think you have to click up here again for that to come back. No, click here. Okay, now it's back. It's a wonderful UI here. So we have size and atlas. Is there offset and miscellaneous maybe? Okay. If we go back to setup, we're really close. I think. Allegedly. I was thinking we just needed to tweak some of these. We could try a margin again.
All right. Follow your heart, man.
Oh, that does not look right, but
I'm just gonna look at the documentation because at some point you can only shoot in the dark for so long, right?
yeah.
Let's see, tile.
Let me try Google on my end as well. The tile's offset.
Well, have you ensured that you're using use grid snap and use smart snap in the editor snap settings?
Is this where are those?
Well, first you go into locate the snap settings on the left of the lock button of the editor. Oops, sorry, I clicked something by mistake. On the left, ensure grid snap. Oh, right there on the top. Yeah, what is that? No. Use, yes.
I don't think that's for tiles.
Okay, I guess try. Is that the one or is the other one? Make sure tile sizes within the tile set matches the actual size of your tile image. Make sure your tile map is aligned with the grid by adjusting the tile map's position or the snap settings offset.
This one we had an origin. Where was that origin number at? Do you remember?
That was for
Yeah, that's chords. Oh, here it is. Rendering origin. So if we do 16, Is it what blend? Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
It only took us a half hour or more, but we got it.
Wait, now, what did you do?
I did this here, the texture origin. I just offset it by 16. So this little blue thing moved down 16 pixels.
I don't like it, but okay.
Yeah, the whole process leaves a little to be desired. Such
Wait,
a
no, yeah. Oh,
some big sprites.
I think we might
Can't
need
jump
to
that.
adjust our character size
Yeah, well, we'll get new sprites.
or adjust the sprite size. Yeah.
There's a hidden box here in the heart of this image. We must have painted a physics thing in there. So if I go to paint, I can see it. Yeah, there it is. So I can erase that somehow. Okay. Now what? What are you thinking, Rita?
Well, let's shrink the Mama Jama.
Shrink what?
Oh, aren't you gonna make the building to scale of the character?
Oh, yeah. Let's. I would go the opposite direction and just make him twice as big.
Okay, that's good.
And then take this and make that bigger. There. See how this looks? Is this what you had in mind?
Yeah, but now the character feels heavier somehow.
Yeah, because he's bigger, the physics don't quite match up. But until we get the final assets for that, it's going to be awkward, I think.
Okay,
Does it look like something should be here? Is there something missing? Maybe that's just how it looks.
I don't know. Is that what the building looks like in real life?
Yeah, it looks like it. That's what he's going for.
Did you have the picture of the building?
Yeah, yeah. Do you want to see our mirror board?
Yeah.
I'll look at my LinkedIn.
Oh, should I know something?
Nothing cool happening on there. So here's the building in real life. IRL.
So let's see how much artistic. Oops.
Pretty good.
Uh, yeah. So this is supposed to be like the. Mm, okay. I mean, I guess there's some artistic
That's all right.
sense over there for the door for the garage door.
Yeah. Could we let's make the ground a lot longer.
All right. I'm driving. I'm driving. All
Yeah.
right.
So what you can
How does
do?
one go about making hostess off screen?
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Can I just do I need to draw it?
Yeah. Do you want to wing it and I can tell you, or like yeah, let you guess for a minute? Otherwise, I can tell you the answers.
Yeah. I know this is this.
You want to use this one right here.
Oh,
This one. They're pretty much the same. I guess. Oh no, these ones have different variety. So the top three have the physics. You do you. Either's fine.
oh, gotcha. Now can I mean, that's the poor man's way of doing this. I mean, if I was doing this, can I come in?
You have some.
If this was a spreadsheet, nope. Oops.
I think you can use
Never
this
mind
here.
this. What is this? Rectangle two? Oh,
Yeah. Look at that.
look at that. Fancy. Like it. Okay, so then I guess here we can go here, there. Oh, rectangle two. I mean, how far do we go? I don't know. I guess that should be good enough for now.
Yeah, let us know, chat, if you have any thoughts or ideas on the map so far. Or I am not a Oh, let's go a little bit this direction as well because we got to throw a building on the left side. Um,
Oh,
and
we have to throw a building on the other side. Can you do like a copy paste
I think you
kind of
can.
business?
If you do, there's like the select tool.
Right. How do I Control Z? Okay.
So if you get back into the tile
Select.
map thing, there's the select tool. I think you could do some copy pasting.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Yes. Boom. Sorry, Mac keyboard.
So Chad, I'm the furthest thing from a I can't play platformers, nor can I make a coherent level. So if you have any thoughts or ideas, please jump in.
Well, where's your vision board?
So he sent me a preview of kind of what he had in mind. I'll show you that quick here. So here was his here's kind of how the buildings line up, and then there's this image of the this is kind of what the background's gonna look like, at least in that
Okay.
area over there. So that's kind of what we're going for. So I guess for navigation, let's get those two buildings in there.
Sounds good. So I guess is it already you already added to the
Yeah, so they're in the new folder, and then we can add them to the tile set itself.
building one? No, can't do that. How does one go about doing that?
If you go to the tile set tab, you can hit new,
Uh,
and then you'll load up.
wait. No. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
that's way easier than how I was doing it. I like that. I think this is where we messed up last time. So hit no, and then we can highlight them all. What's
I
happening
like
here?
them all. Well,
Oh,
uh,
Control Z that.
Control Z that. Yes, sir.
Nice.
Okay. Oh yeah. Highlight just the one we want, and then we zoom in to get the little.
I guess.
Let's go. Where is it?
I think you gotta click this first. Allegedly.
Not happening.
Select.
Select.
Yeah,
Edit.
there it is.
Paint. There you go. Okay. Now we zoom in.
Okay.
And
I'm uh I'm a little curious about this like box here. If I look at that quick.
yeah. I mean, I mind, but
I'm sorry. All right, looks like it was in there. And was it in the vision picture? It is. Okay. Let's leave that. All right, let's make it big. Gonna need. We're gonna have to include the other side this time.
so that is a good question. What happens when your image doesn't snap? You have to add like I think you got to bring in GIMP, man, and we need to make this image 32 or a sprite.
Yeah, have you used this before?
Oh yeah. I compile my own.
Did you really? That's cool.
Yeah,
You're so hipster. You're ahead of the game.
yeah. I like my IDs cage free.
Oh, it's an animation. Am I seeing that right?
Okay, so we just need to change
It's an
the
auto
what do you call it?
animation.
The size to be. I mean,
This
it's
is
right there.
this is already bigger, so we just leave it like that.
No. Well, yeah, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, why not?
GIF.
Well,
Here.
not GIF, though.
I
Good
really want it
Lord.
to be a GIF. Yeah, we can overwrite it.
Oh, risky. Okay.
No.
Oh, why did you animate it? No.
It imported too. Maybe I misclicked. Let me try that again.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. That was on me, I guess. How do I make this a little bigger?
Canvas size. Okay, now make that a multiple of 32. So what do we got? 364. So let's go with 10, 32, 384. 80, yeah, that's it. And 416, if my calculations are correct, is a nice multiple of 32. So
Perfect.
PNG, yep.
So
Feasible areas,
just
offerings
grid.
forward. I mean, could give it a better name than building.
I like building one. That's how I name my classes. Oh, we got a bot. We gotta issue a kick here. See if I know how to do that.
The
And
Bebo,
boom.
but those were the best streams, Mr. Several.
And yeah, I messed up. Could have had the golden opportunity there.
I I was willing to. Oh, there you go. Look at that.
Cool. What are the odds it's offset again?
No, yes.
It's offset in the other direction this time though. It's the X,
Oh
but
no, it was perfect. What do you mean?
no, it's still offset. Like so.
Oh, the
Yeah.
Y.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. I mean, the X.
Too
Wait.
close.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know. What does the picture say?
I mean, we have some. It's really.
Yeah. Okay.
We have some freedom to change it. I think. I do like this. This looks pretty good. The bricks look cool.
Yeah, it's giving some organic vibes.
It's a nice palette. It's like I'm on the moon, or maybe Mars, a heavier gravity.
I think it's the opposite, right? It's like you are on Earth, and before you're a little bit more.
All you. Want to work on last building?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this one in record time. Watch. Check this out. Close this mama jama. What do you want me to do? I don't care. I know what I'm doing. No, just kidding. What are we doing?
Last building. So we got to import building two, which may need the
Yeah.
same sprite size tweaking. We'll
Boom.
find out.
Did it go? Oh no. Yeah, we gotta go into uh, tile set. Would you like to create? No. But the size of it. So we need to go good old A sprite.
Okay, so
Open.
here's a thought for you while you're clicking through that. On the
Yeah.
old version, the meter maids are walking on the building. Do we
Ooh.
keep that,
Yes.
or do we just keep them on the ground, like Ninja Turtle style?
Ooh. I really like that. Let's see. Hold on. Um.
What do
591.
you think, chat? Should the meter maids be on the building, or should they be on the ground only, like Ninja Turtle style, kind of? If you played that one, and sprite size. I think that's different, isn't it?
Um. Sorry. What?
I think you're in sprite size, not canvas size. Is that different?
Yeah, I was testing to see if you're paying attention. Good job.
Thanks.
You passed the test. Uh, I forgot. What did we make this? I guess it was 570. I guess it would be a square because that will be the closest one. Okay. Okay. Um, Yeah. Oh, did it cut off the top, or the building was always like that?
Uh, what's at the bottom? I don't know. We can check.
Hold on. Let me. Maybe I need to. We need to make the canvas on the top. Not this, but I think I had made it 576 because the 608.
Probably Control Z at first, so you get the top back.
Yes, I like that.
Yeah, there you go. Wasn't much up there, I guess.
Yeah, there's a little. The tip that was there. So, all right. Slow is fast. Remember that. 570 is 576,
Good thing I
and
brought.
this one is 600 and what did I say?
Good thing
And
you're a
eight.
math major. This would be rough for me.
I'm actually a math minor.
Are
For
you?
being
Are you?
specific.
Nice.
Yes, technically. I was 3 classes away from being a math major, but I needed to make money.
Oh, do you wanna zoom in just a hair? I think we need to change that again. Oh no, it worked. So
Yeah, we need to move it down.
yeah,
So I think we can select it all.
you can actually do that in the window you were just in, but I'll show you how to do that next time.
Um,
Oh,
oh, I can. Oops. Don't want to do
I
that.
think we have a little pixel there too. Yeah, there you go.
All right. Uh, so you're saying on this one, I can.
Yeah, Control Z one more time, and I'll show you. It'll do the movement for us. So if we go back to canvas size, we enter not sprite size. Yeah, so if we enter the value, we can use these arrows to snap it. Yes, and then just do like up.
Oh,
Yeah, up or
wait.
down, whatever one feels right.
Yes. Okay.
Haha, beautiful.
Nice. Export. No, just override it.
I think so.
Did it? I need to re-import it, or last time it just refreshed? Yeah. Okay. It took what it needed to take.
Nice.
We go here, and then we go. What was it? Select? No.
Yeah, I think you're right. And select pane, and then yeah, can make this bigger too. Cool. See if that needs to be snapped at all. Probably. So we paint it. Does it blend? Yep, X is off. Earlier you mentioned a tile app. Tile something.
Yeah, tile mapper. I think it's called.
Someone else has talked to me about that. Is that pretty
Tile
cool?
mapper. Tile mapper. Tiled. You
Yeah,
know, map editor.
I think
Tiled.
that's what
Yeah.
it was. I think there's some Godot integration with whatever that tool is. I think. All right. Should we throw one more down here just so we can get like the is that what you call it?
Yeah. I mean, I guess you can make like alternating buildings for now.
You want me to switch it up?
Yeah, give it a little flavor. Ooh, all right. So
Cool. Guess I could maybe be the boss building for now. I don't know.
sure.
Or I can have him give me 15 other buildings we can put in there too. Make it. We're probably gonna need more buildings.
Yeah, probably. We need to do a little Go Street View, and
Yeah,
maybe some different storefronts.
right. Maybe super generic even. Just variations of each of these. Okay, what are you thinking now?
Uh, I think we need to get some of the gameplay back in a little bit. Maybe get the what do you call it? So do we? How is the game going to start? Are we going to have the cop giving you a ticket?
That's a great question. I think to challenge that, what we need to focus for this is get the new assets proved out so I can get back to him as soon as possible with feedback.
Okay, so be like that.
No, I mean if you think we
No,
should go a different
let's throw
direction,
all the assets in the game and interact with them. Let's go. So what other new assets? Let's add the backgrounds then, right?
okay. Now if you're feeling something else, let me know too. I mean, not trying to dictate here.
No,
So background's kind of neat. So we actually have to use a parallax layer. I think that's the new one. This is deprecated. Okay, we need parallax background.
that's what I had to do to get my Mega Drive back in the day, or Genesis, if you live in America.
Genesis.
Yeah, the Sega Genesis. That was the whole thing. It's like, oh, parallax.
Yeah, it's cool
Look at the
stuff.
background. It moves at different speeds than the foreground. That's
Yes, parallax 2D. I want to make sure I got the nodes right. Okay, so I think we can get rid of this
oh,
node.
we can repeat. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I wonder what's the first one? Just sky.
This guy should be the one all the way in the back, I guess. Does it even need to be a parallax?
Oh yeah, you're probably right. Just in the background. Well, if we want it to repeat, I'd have to. I don't know.
I mean, is that the best way? Yeah, static background. Godot static background.
Let's see if there's no repeat option in here, but since it's pretty yeah, we could just do that. I wonder how we handle everything that's like bigger. You know what I mean? Like, do we just make it taller?
Oof.
Is that weird?
I mean, I don't know. I haven't been outside in a while. Forgot what the sky looks like.
You can probably control Z that horizontal or vertical change I made.
I mean, it's still okay. I think with the but the intent of the artist was this. But if memory serves me correct, the sky doesn't it actually does it get lighter on top? I guess so.
Yeah, do you mind if I pull up Discord quick to see what he had?
Where we going? Yeah.
Okay, so his looks like that, I
So
guess.
it does intend it for that. So I guess we could do like a sliver of the sky to keep going. I mean, definitely can make it a little taller, right?
Cool. Yeah, that seems fine. We can just leave it like that for now.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to add something to add another sprite in the parallax here, and let's throw in some of our background buildings we have.
Add another sprite
I think
or
so. Yeah, sprite 2D.
in as a child of the parallax, right?
Right.
A child node.
Yep. So I think it'll just repeat them for us,
Create.
and then you can add a building to that.
Um,
I think you can either drag it in there or use the drop down.
got it. So we don't get a little pretty thing here. So okay, so we're doing background. Oh, it has some background buildings.
A whole bunch.
Can we just like add all of them, or no? Which one needs a different sprite?
Probably.
Just wondering. Okay, I can add this to this one. That's fine. I can move it. I don't know where that goes. Um, can you add multiple?
Not to the same sprite, but we'll have to
But
just
if I add it to parallax, does that default something? No. Oh, this one. Can I do this? Did that do anything? Did I break something? I'm gonna Control Z. Oh no, that didn't do anything. Okay. Nice, nice. Okay. So put this guy here, create some, and you say we can just keep adding to this one?
yeah, more sprites as long as like, so this will be a single parallax, right? So it'll be moving left and
Yeah.
right on the same speed.
I'm using the name convention that you love.
Yes, it's job security by obfuscation.
Okay, so this is the big sculpture. This is the bridge. No. Okay, so this is, oh, we had already done this. Okay, so that's that one. That's this one. This one here can be, I mean, does that sound good? Just like slap them in and then we can,
Yeah, like that.
background bushes, I guess. Sure.
I love background bushes. Good old David there.
Background for building. Background bushes. That could be the name of your next game. My winner's new adventure.
Yeah, we've had some pretty creative DLC suggestions, mostly revolving around cats.
Okay.
Make the sequel, find my cat, and just have it be a shameless clone with all the same assets. It's morally correct, right?
Right. I mean, I was thinking like, found my winner. Where is my
Exactly.
from the creators, or where is my winner? Okay. I think that's all the backgrounds. I don't know. How do we send it to the back order?
Those are really far buildings. Yeah, let's.
Yeah, so send all this stuff to the back. Maybe you can. Oh, yeah, that's what I meant.
Too far the back.
That's exactly what I was planning on doing after I positioned them where I wanted them. But you can just make the tile map layer height.
What do you mean?
No, go for it. I mean, just so it's easier to see what you're clicking on. So just hide the tile map layer. Click on the little eye. There you go. And get rid of your job security, I guess.
I was trying to see how we had these teed up. So these not so
Yeah, that
brown.
has to be the furthest back, right?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
So we might need a few of these parallaxes. One's like super far back.
So they can kind of like move it slightly different. Two level parallax. I like that.
Yeah. You want me to add that?
Yeah, yeah.
Now if we do parallax, let's put that behind. I don't know. They're all background. That doesn't make sense at all. Where's this one? Okay. Bar buildings. Can we throw these in there?
Mm-hmm. I would suggest, yeah, naming them from the bottom. I mean, you can keep it'll be easier to know what you're doing. Right, the sprite order is the same as the file naming.
really far. Okay. Can we repeat this one maybe?
Yeah.
I don't know if we won't see this until we're in a game, maybe. Oh, geez. Okay. What do you think we'd
Well, what is the size? No, something went badly.
You always want to know the specifics. Why make it easy on ourselves? 1356. Okay, beautiful.
Yes, look at that.
So if we put that back,
Ooh, already way better.
so immersive. Oh, it's not.
It's like I'm in the city.
We gotta add the movement to it. Get out here, G-force.
Look at that. You kick off your GPU must be sweating right now.
You just shit on my GPU the whole time. It's fine. Okay,
Gotta do
so
the scroll scale, right? Gotta do the scrolling.
yeah, what does this mean though?
Not too much because that's really far away. But
One is
let's get
slower.
a feel for it.
Okay, so 0.5 allegedly.
Wait, was it scrolling at all?
No, it was the same as everything else.
Oh, you think it's on a scale of 1 to,
I was reading it, but I don't think I must have been reading it wrong. See, it'll
let's
pop
see,
up here.
Godot. Uh,
One is
Value 1 scrolls at the same speed as the camera. Value greater than 1 scroll faster, make objects appear closer, scroll slower.
what's the offset do then?
So
Okay.
you want slower because it's further away, but the game is too short right now for it to be meaningful at all.
Hmm.
So I guess that, yeah, like if you put like zero point 0.5, I like your 0.5 because maybe it will do make it look like it's really far away. But the problem is that the foreground is too much in your face.
I think the scaling like made it go up. Looks like it's floating now.
Yeah, those floating buildings.
See, it's up here for some reason.
All right, fix that. That's my, oh, damn it, I'm the driver.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you know how to fix it, go for it.
To do. Okay. Why are you misbehaving?
Oh, is it this
I
shit?
think it, no, do you need to master this?
Parallax offset. I think so. That seems promising.
Okay, so I guess it has to be the same as the repeat size, no? Or
Uh,
32, or
yeah.
what do you
Try
want?
try 32. I,
Yikes, I think it's higher. No, it's the same, right?
I don't know. Just try throwing a bigger number in there. Step zero. Yeah, there, there you go. Okay, so that's not doing
That did
shit.
nothing. Okay, so this is not it.
No, no, that's X
And
offset. You want that?
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's, I was making sure you're paying attention. It's
Yeah,
not too late.
clearly not.
That,
Same
let me
button.
give it a higher value, like we said. If it disappears, we know we're good.
Nope,
Nope, that does
not doing
nothing.
shit.
Absolutely not a thing. Oh, why we don't want this to be scrolling? Why? Right? We only want it to scroll horizontally.
I think when you clicked out of
Yeah.
it, something happened.
What?
If you go back into that number you just tweaked,
No.
they were linked. So we gotta unshackle here because
Oh,
you
yeah,
really
yeah.
change both. Yeah. So if we change,
Oh, so yeah. So we want
Okay.
Yes. All right. Reload. And it's gone. Because I did Y. Come on. You got to keep me honest here, man. I'm already half asleep. So we don't want Y to change, and we want this to change slowly.
What time is it there? 7?
7, yeah. I feel like I'm feeling good about this one. Look at that. Beautiful background.
Nothing.
Can't really tell.
I don't know. Does since this is still like looks like this, did it take? Like did it apply itself?
Yeah. And why is it float? I guess we need to
Yeah,
move it down just a hair.
you could just move the whole thing with this.
Um,
This guy.
what? Yes. Nice.
Yeah.
There you go. And oh yeah. So
Hey, that works. Beautiful.
yes. I mean the foreground is gone, but who needs that when you have a beautiful parallax background? I mean, I think that's it for the game.
I mean, it makes sense to me. Like what is this here? It's like half a something's on the sprite. Hmm.
Um, I think you need to tell your artist that is an issue. What is this?
I'll send him your way. Wida has some words for you.
Wait, that was not the right background. Oh, this was the background far away. So this is background far building. Gonna. How did you copy the name? Copy. Were you able to copy the name in an easier way?
Yeah.
No. Okay. So rename. I mean, I'm just giving them names. Do you have a?
Oh, that seems great.
Okay. This one is this little weird building, which is should be this one, which should just be
We're gonna have to do math
five.
this time for the repeat. We're gonna
I'm
have to
I'm
add
I'm
that
kind of
repeat.
disappointed. I mean, wait, are we gonna have to do math or not?
I think so.
Awesome.
Why do you have the snake out? You want to see a snake,
I
Wida?
love doing math later at night.
Wida, you want to see a snake?
I don't know. I'm scared of that question.
Here, hold it on camera if you can see it. And it's gonna
Wait,
attack me.
wait, Mr. Several. Oh, there it is.
Yeah,
Wait.
it's gonna
Uh,
it's gonna bite me. Stop pointing it at me. Good Christ! It takes a minute. It's delayed.
nice. Kind of. Oh man, that snake is ready to strike,
It
man.
is, isn't it? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
right, get it out of
Don't,
here. You're gonna die. Oh, jeez. All right, you ready?
that's it, Chad. James just showed his snake on the internet.
It needs to. We need to show it at work.
He gets along with your cat.
He stays in the cage most of the time. Is he having a good
What is
time?
that? What kind of snake is that?
It's a ball python.
So it has a long way to go, huh?
No, he's a full size pretty much.
Oh, I just saw a video of a snake trying to eat a squirrel, and the other squirrel was fighting for it, trying to save the from the snake.
Perfect.
Nature, man.
Right, I'm just gonna wing these, kind of whatever vibe feels right, you know. I don't know.
I like it.
You're just saying that. All right, how many pixels is this, you think? 6,000?
Um,
I'm just copying what we have here. Oh, this says repeat
Wait,
11,
what did we do the really far away? We did 0.7. Okay.
and this one's 0.5. Maybe I went the wrong
Mm-hmm.
direction. Um, this is maybe, what, 2,000? See if that makes sense at all. Oh, okay, it's repeating for us. 2,500. Ooh, we're
Okay.
close. 20, 23, 20, we're almost there. We'd
2, 2. Yeah. Look at. Oh, could it be a little closer?
this is how math should be done. Guessing.
Yes.
There.
It just keeps sliding. I mean, that is how it was done in the old school days. What is it called? That the old school calculator. Abacus. Yes. That seems too busy in the back there. But look at that.
Too busy with
I
too many
feel.
buildings. It might be actually. This you can't quite see it. Maybe the camera's not zoomed out enough. This doesn't make any sense. You can't really see what's going on. I don't know. What's our prototype look like? That's zoomed out as heck though. I wonder, can you even see? You probably can't even see these when they're in place. These here. Oh, I can't see them at all actually. Where's
I
the?
mean, let's be honest. You're only gonna see the whole city like that if you like zoom out. Maybe like you can add a little juice, as you said, to when you start in your life or when the level starts. You zoom into the street and you get to appreciate the art.
Right. There you go. But yeah, you'd only see this. It's not. We have to zoom out some. I feel dirty about that. Or just make it one. See everything.
Ooh, we can do like giant mushroom level.
Oh, I can still attack. Bam, bam, bam. All right, here we go. Do you feel immersed right now?
Yes, I feel like I'm there. Like, and I repeat, I still feel a little nauseous from the movement. I
Perfect.
don't know. Um,
That's what we're going for. We want to make the player sick, I think is the goal.
oh, here's a question for you. Can you just make a loop instead of make it end?
Oh, this the what you
Yeah,
call it?
make like an infinite level.
Yeah, you could parallax that as well. I had parallax tiles in the other one.
You know, like me, like you when you reach the right, you just back to the left.
Yeah,
Matrix
that's,
2, 3 style, 3, Matrix 3 style.
that wouldn't be so bad. Should this be parallax or should this just be a static background, do you think?
No, that has to be just a. I mean, how many buildings? I mean, like that you find in the city.
Exactly. So if I'm scooping what you're pooping here. Oh no, you're driving. What am I doing? Sorry. You go for it.
All this collaborative driving. Okay, here we go. What am I doing?
I think if I was scooping out your poop in there, we want to pull this out of parallax and just make it a background image.
Okay, can we just move it to as a sprite?
I think so. Let's just drag it out of there.
Can we name this? Let's rename it first, maybe.
Go for it.
Background building two. Just how you like it, but it has to be a little bit in front of that and stuff.
Oh, you put it in
But
the
not.
parallax again.
I want it. I want it right there.
There you go.
Yes.
Nice. So that should be perfect then.
Um. Wait. Why isn't that just a tile then? What happened? Did we make our lives harder on the tile map layer? Oh, because you don't interact to this building. Got it.
Yeah, well, we don't know if we're gonna interact with these either. So yeah, we might have made that harder than we needed to. Live and learn, right?
That's true.
Right, you can tell Justin on me tomorrow. You know what James
All right.
did?
Wait, what's happening now? What should I do?
I was suggesting you could tattle on me tomorrow.
I can do what tomorrow?
Tattle.
Oh, wow, it's all in the internet. I don't have to.
I'm just kidding. Um,
At
let's
least I can say it wasn't me.
let's keep.
Let's see. What is this building? Bridge? Wanna?
Yeah, wait. If you pull up Discord,
Um,
he has the oops. He has the example there. If you want to kind
oh,
of see how to.
Discord. Oops, sorry. I was trying to go to my own Discord.
You don't have it, but I do right here.
Oh, yes.
Nice. This is what we're attempting to construct here.
Man, that's a big bridge. That's a tiny bridge.
Yeah. You know, we could probably parallax these two, but have them not repeat, you know? So at least it has a little bit of that there. You scooping when I'm pooping?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I think. And then these could
You
be.
guys have a Statue of David in your town?
It's so there's like 16 replicas in the world, and we have one of them.
Oh,
Yeah, there's a frequent arrests around that statue. People climb it, try to grab the goods.
yeah.
All right.
We should say just teenagers, right? But probably just
Yeah,
people.
probably everybody.
All right.
You go ahead and
What
keep
is this?
renaming those and pulling them out of the parallax as needed.
Okay, so this will this be parallax?
I I I don't think so, but I could go either way with that if you feel strongly.
Background, big sculpture. What is this supposed to be?
This is going over the river in town. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but it's pretty massive in person.
Okay,
I don't know like how they keep people from climbing it. Sure, it happens.
okay, there we have our. This is background building. With one probably. Yeah, it looks like it's this one. Let's see. And
Ooh. Okay, what are you thinking?
yeah, let's just get the layers, that busy work done, and move those out of being parallax.
Ground bushes. Chocolatey. Okay, so background building 2, background building 1. Those are supposed to be somewhat close to each other, right? Where are you? Is that not the right one? Am I? That's way over there.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah,
I was thinking it was behind this because of the brown. All right.
makes sense.
I think that's how it was set up in the thing. just so tedious because we got to put down like trees and mailboxes too. What fun.
Procedural, man. Let's do it. I mean,
Procedural.
gotta write a little script to just
Hey, that's how the other games are. Oh,
let's spend a month writing a procedure that will take us 5 minutes to put the mailboxes all over the map.
yep. Sometimes I like challenging myself like that, but it varies. Oh, what should this be? 0.3 then, I guess?
Ooh.
Get out of here. Why can't I move this? Okay. Oh, that's rough.
Come on, you should know you're sitting. You don't need to look at a reference picture.
I know it in person. I don't know the pixel form.
I need to find this. What is it called? Robot.
All right. Background bushes. No, background bridge. Do we have that? Here we go. It's just bridge. Where the heck is that at?
You kind of need to add the brown building behind Atomic Robot Tattoo. Well, yeah, that's beautiful, but
Where?
we need a building behind the tattoo place. It
Oh,
could be a
right here.
background building, like yeah. Oh, you already have something there. No, you're good. You're good.
I was trying to figure out where the hell. Oh, it's invisible. That's why I couldn't find it. Okay.
Uh, okay, I'm looking at the Security National Bank. It's to the right. Let me see, where did you put
Are
that?
you street viewing us?
I mean, not that part. I'm seeing the real buildings. Make sure we. I guess we did follow what he said, right? So the one, yeah. So that is that building next door.
Do we have? I don't think we have David in here yet. Oh, there's background bushes. I see them. They
Okay,
are.
I see the building is all the way down there. Okay.
So
Oh yeah, we need a couple more buildings.
background bush there, like
Main
this.
Avenue. Awesome. Main, North Main. Okay. Um, oh man, we gotta make this a suite level.
This is looking sweet.
Oh, we
I
have to stop by the soap body shop place before we going to get like extra weapons, meaning soap.
yeah, haven't drawn the interior.
Yes. Oh yeah, nice cathedral courthouse museum.
Ooh, have
Wait,
they
is that where? Maybe that's where the battle should take place.
here?
There's a real court, I guess, down the street.
Oh yeah, no doubt. Courthouse.
What is that building?
Could be anything. I think this should run. No, no, we're missing David. Dang it, David.
Is David on Main Street?
No, but he's at downtown. Oops. That's all you. You want to get David in there?
Sure.
I created a new Sprite 2D somewhere. I'm not sure where that just landed.
All right. Where am I? Am I doing? Yes. So what am I doing? I'm getting David in.
Yeah, we're gonna throw him
Oops.
like right here for now.
Done. I messed up something already. Undid it. Uh, I need a little bit more space to work.
Yeah, you can full screen it if you'd like.
Okay.
I think we're done with the reference picture.
Yeah. I mean, once you see the street and everything makes sense now. Okay. Wait, what are we doing? Statue of David.
Yes, I added a sprite 2D in here somewhere, but I like clicked it and then it just vanished. So I
I
thought
don't
maybe
know,
it'd be
but
cool.
this should be the main street level. I don't know.
What do you mean?
Hmm?
What do you mean?
I mean, if David is not a main street, what are we doing?
Oh, I think this is just for POC. I don't know. It's fine. Don't worry
Okay,
about
okay, fine.
it.
But I'm gonna put it to the left then.
Okay.
Uh, there has to be an easier way to convert images into.
I thought I added a new sprite here somewhere. Did I go to the bottom? Yeah, there it is.
Where is this?
David.
Is this David?
It will be. Not yet.
Oh, okay. Uh, David, 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 David. I mean, it's getting late. Where is David?
He's towards the top. He's background David.
Oh, background David. That makes sense. They were just chilling there. Okay.
I have a thing Friday to tell you about it.
What do you have Friday?
I'm organizing a local dev meetup.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I just got confirmation that they forwarded it to the local college for their game dev majors.
Ooh.
I know. I told them 5 people are coming, and like hopefully like 50 don't show up. So that'd be a lot of
What are you gonna talk about?
It's just gonna be informal meet and greet. I don't really care for too easygoing for strict structure, so it's just gonna be informal meet and greet.
Nice. Cool.
Yeah. So I'm thinking with this, so we get this level created, and then I this automatically gets uploaded to itch, so
Hmm.
I can have the client, I guess, run around the level with the shitty slow motion character and kind of
Oh, you can change the physics of the character a little bit, right? You want to
uh,
mess around with. Well, what do you want to do now?
sure, yeah,
Or we?
let's move David to wherever you were gonna move him, and let's tweak
I don't
the
know.
speed a little bit.
I think for at this, I mean, I don't know. If we're just trying out right the assets, I think we just kind of like you know, just let's put everything on the street.
Yeah, I think we're pretty close to what we're gonna want it to look like later, like down here. Like this is gonna be the
Well, I
main.
guess that's kind of like where the sightseeing is, right?
I guess I think that looks cool.
All right.
But yeah, essentially my vision on the game would be they just walk down and they just keep running to the right. Eventually they get to the end. I don't know. It's pretty boring, but it's like Ninja Turtles though, right? You just keep running right the whole time.
Well, you're forgetting about well, first of all, which one? And if you're talking about the classic NES,
Yes,
there's so much more going on.
there really is. There's like fires when the guys come out, right?
Yes, the swim level with the bombs, which is where anxiety is born for kids of the 80s. If you know what I'm talking about,
Uh-uh.
the water level with the seaweed that's electrifying.
No, I don't think I'm familiar. I didn't play the Ninja Turtles that much.
Okay. And you have the overhead level that you drive the little turtle truck.
I only played the Mortal Kombat version, like the 2D fighter.
Uh, See, if you really want to challenge yourself, play that game.
They're all challenging. We have the Lion King game, which is
Or,
notoriously
or at
challenging.
least watch the, what do you call it? The angry nerd playing those games.
I've seen some of those. I watched Mario Frustration, which is really funny. Script. So make them faster. You're thinking
Mm-hmm.
jump velocity is what is happening with that? That doesn't seem right at all. Okay. What is this? What is this gravity? Like 6 million?
It's one dense planet he lives in.
It's got to be something crazy. Do we have physics on him? He's a rigid body. No, he's a character controller, right? Am I just not seeing it?
Um,
Gravity. Oh well, we don't need to worry about it now. So if we move left and right, that's a little better.
yeah, there's a little more fluid, easier to move.
Yeah, background looks pretty decent.
Yeah, you got the buildings fairly accurate.
Oh, those are way. We might not be able to get away with those being parallax today.
It's a giant building that moves with you.
Should I just move them out? You think, or that's kind of
Yeah, I
weird?
mean, just make it 1-1 so you don't have to move things around for now. I mean, or make them background. Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, I
I for,
misunderstood what your suggestion was.
no, 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 that's good. I forget that we're in the drag and drop, no code world.
I do like to code as much of this as I can. I don't like relying on the engine a whole lot. Look at that. Looks pretty slick, doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean, maybe you could give those building a little parallaxing, maybe like
Well, we tried, but
barely
it
parallax,
was like way
like
offset.
a 98.
I wonder. Yeah, you mean like
0.98 or 0.995. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, just ever slightly. Look at that.
so subtle? I like it. Good call. I'm telling Justin tomorrow you deserve a raise. Oh, you
I
see?
didn't find my paperwork. I don't know if I'm gonna get one.
Do you see this right here? Check this out. Figured out where the cutoff is. Let's put David. Where'd David go? Big sculpture? Oh, where the hell's David? Oh, he's down here. Put David right next to this.
Oh, you found it.
Yeah,
That's where it was all this whole time.
that's awkward. Okay,
What an eye.
cool. So if we commit and push this, watch
Very nice.
this high tech stuff here. Like, I should show you the code for this sometime.
The
My
code for what? For GitHub?
No, for the find my wiener dog.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool
It's
too.
procedural and
I do
about
want to
bugs.
be if you're looking for testers for your VR
Yeah,
version.
I do you have Steam VR?
Do I have Steam VR? Oh,
Yes.
that's a good point. I had to see. I gotta get my no.
I think if you load Steam VR through your MetaQuest, that could be how you test it.
Oh, you mean like they have an app that you can install on your MetaQuest now?
No, but I think there's a way you can launch it without any extra hoops. I don't think it's an app, but I think there's just a way you can naturally launch into Steam games. But don't quote me on that. I'm not positive.
I gotta remember why my PC stopped working. I don't remember. I gotta dust it off and get it up and running again.
Okay, let's screenshot this for the dude. Get it out of here. All right. I suppose we didn't get like the really any of the bells and whistles in here yet. Like there's trash cans. I saw there's a new meter. Where's the meter at?
Oh, we have the street sign that'll go right in front of the shop also.
Yeah, I saw it. Where's it? Oh, right here. Parking meter. Look at that. Looks way better than mine.
Yeah, that's nice.
I'll have to animate it though. Those would probably be in front, right? The player would walk behind him.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Well, at least for some of them, for sure. Or yeah, they might be obstacles for. Well, the signs definitely in front. Trash cans might be obstacles.
Should we try that out quick?
Yeah.
Oops, that's old. New. All right. Get these four in there. That one. That one. Trash can. Black trash can. Oh, we don't have any curbs. What the hell?
Oh yeah.
Where the hell do the curbs come into play here?
Like right in front of the garage.
Is that what
You
that's
you
supposed
would
to be?
change that tile to be a curve.
I don't know if I got these yet. That's the top of the building.
Yeah, the sign work is really good.
What? This here?
Yeah, yeah, I really like that.
Yeah.
I mean, the trash can, everything's pretty good.
All right, let's get those in there quick. Quick and dirty here. Oh shit! I did the thing. We're not. Damn it. Should these even be tiles? Probably not.
Uh,
What do you think? So we'll have to change each one because they're all offset.
oh, can't you just create a tile map with all of them and then
Make them into an atlas.
yeah, I just feel like having a tile, each tile be its own thing is. I mean, it's already a tile map. Why do you have? You know what I mean? Like we should be able to select, right? Like the paintbrush from a bigger canvas, like you had for the other
Yeah,
tile set or tile map.
yeah, they were all in one image. So if we like manually moved them over,
Yeah, ain't nobody got time for that.
yeah, maybe for the sake of just getting this quick and dirty levels
Yeah,
going.
just uh, maybe there's a way that you can pour. Well, yeah, just oh look at that, I got lucky with that one.
I don't really understand where all the street lights. Like I imagine the curb, and there's maybe supposed to be black cement. Like I don't. I'm not really sure. I'll have to ask him what that's about. I don't know if I understand that yet. So maybe something like this. My inability to make a coherent level is going to come out here. You want to do some of this too, or I don't want to hog the fun here.
Oh no, I'm just visiting the city right now.
Oh, you're looking at the street view.
Yeah, so they do have like a light pole a light pole to the left of the atomic tattoo logo, and the parking sign kind of right to the right of the door.
Oh,
Whenever you get there,
yeah, street sign.
yeah. So that can be like around here. Oops. Hold on. If you want to be exact, it'll be what kind of sign is that? Oh, yeah, no parking. No, actually, if you want to be more accurate, it would be like right here.
Okay,
Awesome.
let's throw one more somewhere for good measure. Why not?
Oops, sorry. Uh,
Some trash cans.
interesting enough, there is no trash cans around around the shop.
I believe it. It's probably none downtown at all.
And definitely a lot of parking meters.
Perfect. Yeah, let's get those in there and we'll call it a day. Oops. Yeah, with some of these being sprites too, they can make them a little more interactable, which might be nice. We can add shaders to the trees to make them wiggle.
Yeah, yeah, I can see that. Wait, what happened to the street sign?
Oh, where the hell did that go? Oh, I duped it and I didn't actually dupe it. Thank you.
Yeah, so there would be one.
Probably there's
Well,
a
I guess this
but
is a smaller shop. I mean, version of the building. So yeah,
there's a
there's
bunch.
nothing to the. Yeah, it's everything to the left. Technically, there is nothing there.
Make them park right
If you want to
there.
be accurate, I don't know how accurate you want to be.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to redo some of these, so I'm not sure what he intended with the bollards or the curbs. All right, so there are a few more of these out there. Okay.
Yeah, I guess for the game, you're gonna have to exaggerate reality. Can you not select the parking meter when you take the screenshot?
What were we saying?
Oh, just not select when you copied it. I mean, when you took the screenshot, so it wasn't highlighted
Oh, yeah, probably.
with the arrows, but
Good.
no biggie.
Yeah, it's all blurry anyways. But yeah, let's see what this looks like now when we walk around, because the player should be in the right spot to be. Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
I'm so immersed right now. It's the floating parking sign, parking meter.
I feel like you're doing a pixelated street view right now.
Beautiful.
Now, I don't think that those bricks are good. I mean,
Which bricks?
I guess it's okay.
These ones down here.
Yeah, I almost feel like yeah, I don't know. To be more like true to Main Street, you would need to have like the concrete look.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if I was feeling the orange.
But I do know like the sidewalk makes sense because the sidewalk has it, but it's kind of a little weird. Um, it's the only thing that's not giving the 100% vibe for the I am on Main Street right now.
Right. Yeah, let's commit that. Ship them out. Any final thoughts for the day? I like this better than the old sprites. Or they feel more custom.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe if we zoomed in this much, like just you get like just to the cameras, just view enough, tall enough where you get a
Yeah.
little bit of the ground, a little bit of the roof.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. We have too much of the bottom. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's too tall.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, at our readme's wildly out of date now, but well, I'm out of GitHub hours. Actually, I bet it's not gonna do that. They consumed all my GitHub workflow minutes this month. Or no, no, I paid for more. Jerk. We should be good.
That's good. That's a good sign.
Yeah, it's something. It took me about 120 builds of Find My Wiener Dog to get the workflow automatically uploading to Steam. Like that was a pain in the butt.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Pretty excited about
All
it.
right.
Well, thanks for hopping on a Tuesday.
No problem.
I will see
It
you
was fun.
bright
As
and
always.
early tomorrow. Later.
Yes, something like that.
See ya.
All right. See ya. Have a good night.
You too.